guys, we got Perfect Order, little pack, picked it up from GameStop. But this one, I don't know. I got a good feeling about this one, guys. It feels like it might be a card pack. Let's hope and see. Let's do it right now. See what we working with, guys. Hopefully, that's something good. Hopefully, I get that Meowth that I'm looking for, as well as Clefairy. Let's find out, guys. Real careful when I do this because I don't want any. I'm kind of heavy-handed sometimes, so I want to be careful. Let's get that open right there. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see what's going on. First, I'm going to show you guys. First card. Oh, wow. I just said Clefairy, guys. Guys, I just said Clefairy, and I got Clefairy. Let's see what else is going on. Okay. Got something good right there. Nice. Most people don't show all of the cards, but I'm one of the type of people. I'm going to show all of the cards. I'm not just going straight to the. So, here we go. All right. A lot of people like that card right there. Okay, we're doing good so far. Can't complain. Got another pack too. Just wanted to see what this one was talking about. Okay. See that right there? And we got Pokeball. Got a Snorlax. That's cool right there. And we got a okay. Got one of those already. Gastly, got that already. And